everyone is picking on him. The cyberbullying gets worse. Boys from his school have been making life difficult. Around the world, 1 in every 3 students are bullied, and many more see others being bullied. Many victims don't know who to turn to and become isolated and depressed. They start missing classes or drop out of school altogether. Physical bullying is most common, but children can also be exposed to psychological or sexual bullying in school. In an online space, it is known as cyberbullying. Countries cannot achieve inclusive and equitable quality education for all if learners are being bullied at school. There is a way to change this. We can stop bullying by adopting a whole education approach, where we all play a role in promoting a safe and supportive school environment.